The taller man, Jimo Momoni.
Lake number 99, Mars by number 88, number, yes, Valera. Lake inside pass sa Flower. To Momoni!
It's Momoni!
Ora slam! Lumbiri na naman, inside pass to Momoni!
Depensa kaya maaga yung mga tawag sa fouls, ano? Sa Team Magurang, 99, one fake, side step, backhand, sana! Put back! That, Momoni, sa kanya pa rin, teardrop shot, put back by himself, yes! 2 points, Maya, nang gigigil, teardrop shot, aggressive rebound, Momoni! Ngayon ng Team Basud, bigay kay Jimo.
Shot clock, Mars by
tira kay
Momoni!
Jimo now trying to post up against Bulawan. Umiko uses his footwork. What a move para kay Jimo Momoni. Set to the middle. Vergilia to Jimo. Jimo! The power move. Good foot. Gives it. Jimo now. Muntik pang idakdak. Jimo! With a hammer. Throws it down. That's gonna be an ankle breaker para dito. Basket got it and a foul. It's Jimo. Jimo now using his footwork. Good for 2 points yun. Ang laki ng sinakop doon ni Jimo.